set start endpoint, respectively. This tool is useful to change start and end point position respectively. Here, we have some objects. To select all the objects, press Ctrl+A shortcut key. Here, you can see object start and end points are at start point. Click Set Start Endpoint, respectively, button. Here, you can see start and end points are placed at their original position. And their shortcut key is Ctrl+E. If you change the position of object start and end points, then click on Set Start Endpoint respectively button with Control key. Here, you can see start and end points changed respectively.